welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you as it is one of my leggings which which was washed with other clothes, and it had a stain, it had a color stain which I couldn't get rid of. So what I did was I transformed this to a different new leggings. So I'm going to show you as how I'm going to do it. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. So guys, I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notification of the new videos that I upload. And I hope you also try something like this, so that we don't waste in our clothes. I would love to do it, so you too try it and let me know. So until next time, see you. Stay beautiful.